Hi everyone. In this new video I want to show you how to install make the USB memory recognized on an old computer or a computer that the USB memory does not detect us, whether we are going to install Windows, Linux or whatever. Before you continue, this is especially for as I mentioned before, it is for those who do not read it. USB memory or other devices. Through the computer, through the boot and all that. And well, that normally happens because those computers or the BIOS that comes directly to the PC, it's not designed for that kind of thing. Well, without further ado we begin. First of all, there is a program. I'm going to leave it in the link in the description. But first I have to put a parenthesis on it. There is a method that obviously, well, you can do it from another PC. What is burning the CD? Burn a CD. Since that may be useful to you when, in case any reason, the computer has a damaged operating system. Or do you want to say speed things up? But I have to clarify one thing for you. I had previously recorded, and it turns out that by using the January program, they restricted my video, and therefore, no, I can't teach you in that sense. Well, I leave the link in the description for you to download this program. We download the latest version that appears there on the first icon, in the first link that appears here. Once downloaded, that is the way to install the CD, of course. Now I'm going to explain to you the other way, which is to install directly from the same computer. And from there, I'm going to teach you. We unzip this file in the downloads, of course, and then below, we look for the file. In case I have to deal with it, how bad is it? Obviously, you use the Nero program and all that. And then they look for the file that is normally found in MCU burn is the one who says PLLPPBT. It is the one that appears there at the moment. If I can suddenly show you a little more detail. I do know if they can be seen well. Excuse me for the video quality. Well, it's that little program that the PLPBT appears there. They burn the CD and therefore, automatically, or else they enter from the boot that will detect the CD. And then preview this video, so I can show you how to enter USB memory. The second option is install directly from PC, obviously in the old clearing. And then therefore, well, let's say that that computer has Windows XP, and we want to install Windows 7, but obviously not. Our USB memory detects us and all that. Then you transfer the file to a USB memory. They go through all this. And in the part where it says Windows, let's go to the part where it says Install to Book menu. But then, obviously, we have to run it as administrator. Therefore, there it will detect that if we want to install. We give it yes, that is. We sync and obviously will allow us to install. And the button, and that's where we close and everything. In the case of the other computer, we are going to do the following, that I'm going to show you. Well, if you say so, directly in the Windows that I showed him. The second step, so they turn on the ordinary computer. It will load the options that will appear, PubBoom Manager, and Windows, but in the case, let's say, of the other that I tell him. Obviously you enter the bool. That is, you join F10 of 8. Whatever it is, and you sync it is yes. To the unity of yes. Well, I want to show you. This is a clear example. When are they going to load this way? A moment. Ready? This one is going to load us this little menu. Then obviously we connect our USB memory to the normal run-of-the-mill computer. You don't need to restart it. Then you go in the part on the date where it says USB. Or, well, if you have another unit of yes or partition or things like that, you just say yes and that's it. No need to do anything else. Well, in my case I don't show you why. Because this is my laptop and it is not necessary. Make him explain to him there ahead. Because, well, you already know. They are going to install Windows. All that, and the installation will no longer have any problems. This solves the problem of that the USB memory doesn't detect it, or other things like that, on an old computer. Or, well, it also happens in a current one, who also cannot read memories, and with this we end. We finish that solution. And then the boot would automatically start. And now you proceed. The other, well, nothing if any. If the video was useful for any reason, leave me a like, subscribe, activate the bell, and see you next time.